Hi guys! So for today's video is going to be a wear test. Ditong Happy Skin liquid lipstick. Ito yung collaboration ng Happy Skin at ng Sanrio. I first showed this to you guys dun sa aking lip swatch video ng mga mask-friendly liquid lipstick. And some of you guys requested na magkaroon ng, anong tawag dito? Ng review nito. Ng wear test. Hindi kasi ako gumawa ng wear test ito kasi ang mahal niya. It's like 700 pesos for this, you know, cutie patootie bottle. Pero let me just show you yung applicator. It's just a very simple applicator. Umpisahan na natin guys ha. Dahil nakaayos na yung face ko. Lipin na lang. This is what it looks like, guys. Mag-ano siya. It's very liquidy. Malabnaw yung formula niya. Pero, alam mo yung isang dip na ganito, kasyang-kasya na sa buong labi mo. It's very opaque, you guys. Like, this is just one dip. And, another thing that I love about it is, it's so comfortable on the lips. Like, wala kang nararamdamang tackiness or whatsoever. So, hindi siya yung parang tight drying liquid lipstick, if you know what I mean. Diba? It's very nice for everyday wear. And I'm just waiting for it to set, and then I'm gonna show you guys kung gaano siya ka-kiss proof or ka-transfer proof. Another thing you guys wala is it's hindi siya gano'ng katagal bago mag-set. Like it sets probably 5 minutes or less, and then isa pa pala nakapag-trigger sa akin to do this wear test kasi may nag-comment na naka-sale siya, ito, or madalas mag-sale daw. So, you know, tingnan natin kung mahahabol natin yun. I really love the shade. Ang lakas alam mo yun, your lips are better, but your lips like way 100% more. Alam mo yun, more bongga. So, first meal, well, not really meal, but first thing I want to take this morning is this coffee. Anong labo? By the way guys, naka-intermittent fasting ako because I'm starting my weight loss journey. Yes. Kasi guys, gusto ko nang mawala yung baby weight. Gusto ko nang bumalik dun sa aking pre-baby weight. I'm not loving my post-baby body. So, yeah. Oh, by the way, this coffee is called Glutalipo. Have you tried that? Let me know if you did, and let me know what happened. Is it effective? I'm just starting. The vlog. Oh my god, you guys. Isa sa mga dahilan ba't ako nag-wear test today dahil bongga. Bongga ang lunch. So we're having Korean for lunchy, and this was delivered from anong title nun?
Irish Korean food.
Irish Korean food sa Facebook. Ito kimbap, jjajangmyeon guys. And then yangnam chicken, and then maki, and then yursa. Then japchae.
Mamayari siya yung pagbabox nyo ha. Hirap buksan ha.
Let's go, let's eat! Damn.
Para saan to?
Let's taste. Gagawin ako sa spaghetti.
Ako siyang black bean.
Black bean nun nga.
Ay, ang ganyan ba yan? Ano
Tikman mo.
to?
Pero parang hindi ko nakasarap yung chapter niya. Lasang Pinoy, gagi.
Lasang
Pinoy.
Pinoy chapche.
Kulang
Pinoy
ng
pansit.
kulang ng tamis.
Kulang sa sesame. Pang. Lasang bihon.
Hindi mo, lasang yun.
Hindi siya lasang chapche.
So, ating Irish, no? Yung chapche mo, lasang ano, no? Pansit mo yun, no? Kung masarap. Lasang Pinoy, pare.
PNBC po issued the provisional authority to Ankara Broadcasting Network, assigning channel.
NBC, nandyan po ba kayo? Commissioner Cordova,
Hi guys, good morning. Let me just smile. Oh, good. Anyway, so I'm here to talk about my last thoughts about the Happy Skin and Sanrio liquid lipstick collaboration. And I'm so sorry I'm looking so bare kasi meron akong bagong video na i-film na you have to watch out for it because it's so exciting. So what can I say about this liquid lipstick? Okay, let me say the pros, why I loved it. I loved it because I love the formula. It's very comfortable on the lips and it's very, very long-lasting kung wala kang gagawin sa lips mo. Pero it's just like any other liquid lipstick na pagka kumain ka or pagka uminom ka, basta pag nabasa siya, pag nagalaw siya, lalo na pag oily yung kinain mo, pag matindi talaga yung kinain mo, mababawasan yung inner corners, lalambot siya, at mababawasan yung pagiging kiss-proof and transfer-proof niya. Pero pag nag-dry siya, balik na ulit siya sa pagiging kiss-proof or transfer-proof. Pero I just really love the formula, you guys. Parang ganda-ganda lang talaga ako sa lapat niya sa labi. That's why I raved about this dun sa previous video ko. Yung, ano bang video yun? Yung mask-friendly liquid lipstick. And I hope maglabas yung Happy Skin ng more shades of this. Kasi dalawa lang yung shade. And hopefully kahit walang collaboration para mas mura. Feeling ko kaya siya mahal, bells, kasi may collaboration siya with Sanrio, alam mo yon. Sana gumawa sila ng happy skin lang, but with this formula, because I really love the formula. I love this formula more than the Alana Cosmetics. I love this formula more than the color red. Is it worth it for 700 pesos? Honestly, parang hindi. Kasi, hindi naman siya like super sing-tindi gaya ng L'Oreal and ng L'Oreal Infallible Matte Liquid Lipstick, and hindi rin siya sing-tindi ng Super Stay Matte Ink. Alam mo yun, siguro pag nag-sale, go get it para ma-experience nyo yung, alam mo yun, yung kagandahan niya. Pero kung hindi naman sale, okay lang kahit hindi nyo getchingin. Kasi, mahal na best talaga siya, day. Oo. So, alam mo yun, medyo hati ako if I recommend this or not. Pero, you decide. Ikaw naman may hawak ng pera mo eh. So, that's all I can say about the Happy Skin and Sanrio liquid lipstick, you guys. I hope kahit paano nag-enjoy kayo sa ating wear test today. It's just very, very quick. Pinagbigyan ko lang talaga yung request ng isang nag-comment. Sabi ko sa inyo, pag mag-comment kayo sa baba, alam mo yun, pagbibigyan ko yan, basta carry ko. So, go, comment lang sa baba if you have any video requests. So, yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for more and hit the notification bell para you would know if I uploaded a new video. Okay? Again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!